what's up? This is Asil Tempera and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to the Lopesh Shetkari Dhaba. It's near Nawapur Beach, near Arnala, and it's one of the very hyped places in Vasai. So we are gonna go on a bike ride. We are taking three small bikes. So it will be the Meteor 350, Classic 500, and the Java 42. So we are taking three of these bikes and we'll be going there. We'll be having this will be kind of a 15-kilometer ride one way, and over there once we go we'll have breakfast. I'll show you what it's like, I'll let you know guys if it's really worth the hype. I'll show you what all they have over there, and their presentation is actually really good, so we are gonna film that and yeah, tag along the journey. So well, I've already dropped off my Classic 500 at my friend's place and we are gonna take this one. I'll be riding this today, and I have my co-passenger Anika, who's always there to help with the vlogs, and she herself is going to start her new YouTube channel. So you guys need to motivate her in the comments down below to start her own channel. And today she'll be riding us home.
Oh yeah, give me.
No, not now. Riding home, because even I want to enjoy your bike ride. Okay, so yeah, let's start the ride, guys. A bit of change of plans. My friend wants to ride the Meteor, so I'll be riding this Java 42, and this is the latest one. I've never ridden one, so yeah, it should be a good experience. First impression, the bike looks really premium and definitely brand new. In fact, the color is very unique with this classic stripe. So yeah, let's see how it rides.
Does not feel like it's a long journey.
We are finally here. We have parked the bikes. The Java is over there. Meteor is parked over here. Okay, and sorry that I started it in a cinematic mode. So basically that's blurring out the bikes. But yeah, and the Classic is parked over here. So I'll now change to the rear view camera and I'll show you guys this place. Well, this is the main road to the Nawapur beach from Nawapur Naka, and you can come here from Arnala beach road as well. And this is the one, so you have this board over here, Lopesh Shetkari Dhaba, and it's famous for chicken keema as well as misal pav, and they even present vada pav in a really unique style. So I'll go inside and I'll show you about it. So usually I sit down over there, but today we are heading up. So this is how it looks, like a small shack type area. So yeah, we are finally sitting here and we've ordered a lot of it. So basically we are 7 people and we've ordered 4 keema paos and 3 misal paos, but I'm sure we'll be able to finish it since it is a morning breakfast. So let's begin with the eating and I'll let you know how it tastes. We are done eating and I would like, just like always, Anika will give us the review of the food. So Anika, how was it?
It was one of the best missiles you can have in Vasai. And along with the missile, I mean the presentation is really good. And you can try all that's on the menu. I haven't tried the egg items yet, but all the other things are really good. I mean, it's worth it.
So definitely guys, we came almost 15 kilometers over here, but the thing is that everything that is there in the menu, it actually tastes good. So it's nothing like कि, you know, इधर का ये famous है या वो famous है. It's not that kind of thing. You buy a vada pav, the vada pav is good. You buy the misal pav, the misal pav is good. And this definitely is not a paid promotion. Yeah, even the tea is good. And this is not a paid promotion, obviously. हम लोग अभी इतने बड़े YouTuber नहीं हो गए, but yeah, people can call us and we can come and, you know, review their restaurants as well.
If you just put on Google like Shetkari Dhaba, you'll find the location because it's a little hard to find.
Yeah.
So you can just put it and follow the maps.
Right. So if you want to come here, just Google it and you will be able to come. So now Anika will be riding the bike home. So I'll take the shots and the scenery. So yeah, let's start the ride home. I wasn't aware Anika is this good of a rider, so I am definitely enjoying on the backseat of the Meteor because Meteor is a pretty comfortable vehicle for the rider as well as the passenger. So yeah, enjoy the cinematics and I'll enjoy the pillion seat home. Finally home and it was a great ride with these 3 beauties. So since we were exchanging the bikes time to time, all of us had equal experience of the bikes over here and it's kind of unbelievable, but Java was one of the bikes which were least liked by all of them. So basically not trying to flex over here, but Classic was voted as the number 1. Meteor was rated as number 2 and the Java was rated as number 3. So what I'll do now is I'll quickly walk you around all these 3 bikes and I'll tell you the pros and cons of each one. So it will be like a quick 1 minute review, and based on that you can maybe decide if you want to get one. So yeah, let's begin this. So starting with the Meteor, this is the most comfortable bike in all these three bikes. Feels absolutely plush to ride. Definitely comfortable, and has no vibrations whatsoever. So you can definitely, like, there's these are the extra touring seats that were taken, like bought with this bike, along with those touring foot pegs. So this is a very comfortable bike, and you can go on absolute long rides on this bike and you won't feel a thing, because Royal Enfield has changed the engine on this one and the refinement is top notch. So definitely, if you are planning to, just like daily use it or go for long rides, this definitely is a perfect choice and you won't regret buying it. So then this is the Java 42, and if you consider the looks of the vehicle, it really is amazing. Okay, it looks definitely good. The color is unique. It's got twin exhaust, and yeah, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys is look at the numbers: MH48 CD 0802 0808. So kind of just the difference of 6. Yeah, so it looks really good. It's modern and all of that. It has this bar and mirrors, offset instrument cluster, but the overall experience on this bike was not that good. Okay, if you want to ride solo, then this can be your choice, because the engine on this one is not the one you find on cruisers. Okay, this is more like a sports bike in a KTM engine, I'll say. So the power delivery is like that. You have to keep changing the gears. You don't really feel like a cruiser when you're riding this one, and pillion comfort is not there whatsoever. So if you are a solo rider and you just want to go fast, then it is your choice. But apart from that, this bike is very low to the ground. Okay, so that's one issue. It's very small. At least for me, it's really very small, and it feels more like a 100cc bike. Sorry for that, but yeah, that's the genuine opinion that I have about this bike. And then lastly, this is the classic 500 chrome. So obviously you don't really get this one now, and even the new classic 350 which had this shape is also has been discontinued, so you can buy the new one. What classic does right is it gives you the thump. Okay, I have an aftermarket exhaust on the bike, so it gives you the thump. It's a big bike, it feels heavy, completely metal. So it's definitely a good bike. It has this character. You feel like you're riding something. It's just not a normal bike. So if you want to like enjoy the vintage feel of it, and let's say you just want to ride every day comfortably, and pillion comfort is there. It's not as good as the Meteor, but it's there. So it's a big bike. It gives you much bigger feel than both of those ones, and you get that raw old bike feel. So that's definitely a wonderful touch, and that is the reason why all of us like this bike more than the other two. So that was the quick review of these three bikes. Definitely didn't talk about the power figures and specs and things like that, because all of this information you'll get on Google. Okay, that's not why I was making this review video. This is just the review and a raw ride review of how this bike actually feel in your day-to-day practical life. So if you guys did enjoy this video and like this type of content, definitely hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. And I'll be vlogging more now, going to different places, and I'll be exploring a lot, so make sure to tag along. Thank you so much. This is Asil Tempera signing off.